Bro, this guy just never learns. I'm telling you, no matter how many times you tell this guy, don't ever, ever sit on somebody's bike, he will never learn.
Love your hat, bro.
Didn't your mama ever tell you not to sit on someone's bike?
I'm not someone, I'm your brother.
Jeez, this guy. This guy. That's one, there's a couple things you don't do. And one of them is don't ever sit on a man's motorcycle or touch it. So what do you think of it?
Very nice. You know, the design, when you look at it from the top,
It's slim.
slim, and it gives you a,
It's pretty slim and narrow, like in the middle here, right?
feeling of manhood.
Easy there, Sandy, easy. Easy, easy. So what do you got over here? You got your Himalayan, I see. Right? Oh, you got the stainless panniers, huh?
Yeah, I was
These
waiting
are nice.
3 months for the blacked out.
These are nice.
Back order, so I just took the stainless.
I actually like them. I think they look really good.
Nice contrast a little bit.
So that's where we're going to be using. I'm going to be using on some adventure motorcycle content here in the next couple weeks. Sandy's going to be on his Royal Enfield. We got a couple other guys. They got BMW GS's and Fly and Ride, and Steve. And Nadal's got the Triumph 900 Rally Pro. And then Glenn has his 1290 Adventure. So, and I'll be on the good old American Pan America Special. Beautiful bike. But anyway, that's not for this video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking, because if you guys remember, there's been a lot of questions. Hey, how's the transmission fluid? Do you see any better results? What do you think about it? And I did put it shortly in a video, but you guys may have missed it. So this is the scoop. So back when we were in Laconia, we stopped at, we did a meet and greet over by Amsoil Adam's rig. And what we realized, what Adam's wife told us that day, was they have been putting in what's called a severe gear transmission fluid, which I believe is, don't quote me on this, but you could take a look at that video. I think it's a 75 or a 70 140, so it's really heavy duty. And they've been putting that gear fluid into the transmission to do a couple things. A, to quiet up the transmission. B, to get smoother shifting. And C, to find neutral a lot easier. So your questions, I got a lot of questions through messages, DMs, and emails, and basically this is how I feel after putting on about, I think, around 1,500 to 2,000 miles on the bike with that fluid in the bike. I would never tell you guys, if I really didn't notice anything, I would tell you. I wouldn't even bring up a video or talk about it if I really had to say anything horrible about a product. I will tell you guys the truth. That's definite. I'm never here to bash a company or anything like that. I hope you guys already know that. But if something is good, without a doubt, I will tell you guys that, because I want you guys to use the product if it is good. Getting back to the gear oils, we put it in at Adam's rig, and this is what I noticed. Without a doubt, the noise has gotten less severe. It is definitely quieter. And obviously you're gonna have still some little clunking, a lot of mechanical things going on in a Harley Davidson, but it definitely made it quieter. As far as the shifting up and down, it made it more premium. And what I mean by that is shifting up and down has gotten like more tighter. It just feels like the transmission got a lot more tighter. And finding neutral is definitely a lot easier. So I definitely felt immediately once we left Adam's rig and we were riding all throughout Maine and New Hampshire, been riding the bike here, it definitely made a huge difference on the transmission. Especially, I would say, even if your bike is older, I would recommend putting it in. It's definitely, I would say, better. The heavier stuff is definitely better than the lighter stuff in these geared, you know, big gear transmissions. And that's what that fluid is meant to do. It's made for those cut geared transmissions. Also, using a heavier fluid, I would say, is definitely highly recommended to use if you live in a state or in the southern states where it is much hotter. You definitely want a thicker fluid. If you're probably living in the more northern states during the winter time, I don't know if you're going to need it, but I'm going to definitely use that fluid here because I just see that it made a huge difference on the bike. And like I said, with the noise, with shifting, made it smoother and finding neutral, I definitely noticed a difference. So give it a shot. I mean, on your next transmission change, fluid change, give it a shot. And let me know what you guys think about it, or if you already have been using it, let me know what you guys think. I would be definitely curious to know what you guys are, you know, what your guys' thoughts are on the product. But if you haven't yet, I would definitely recommend trying it because it definitely made Silverback that much better. Get in on the Street Bob 114 giveaway. Links will be down below in the description. Also, links will be down below in the description for Amsoil products. And that's it. I think me and Sandy are going to go. I don't know where he is. He's probably in. Oh, he's sleeping over here.
I had a question for you, okay?
Yeah, what's your question?
You were talking
$2.
You were talking about that oil that's really good, that you feel shifting up and down.
Absolutely.
How about shifting right and left?
Oh, yeah, yeah. This is not an airplane. This is not an airplane, Mr. Boeing. All right, say goodbye, Sandy.
Bye, Sandy. Let's go have fun.
Man, and if you are going to Sturgis, definitely come by and say hi. I'll be at Harley Davidson doing a meet and greet. I'll be at Zero 3D doing a meet and greet. Chromeworks will be around. Hope to see you there. Can't wait. Me and Glenn are going to be heading out August 3rd. Peace out.